What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Dogecoin here today. We got some big stuff forming up here inside Baby Dogecoin. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a PayPal donation through the donation link or the Cash App donation link. And if you want these automated trading indicators like such as it will load up, then definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and also use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And let's get straight to this Baby Dogecoin video. So the first thing I want to say here with Baby Dogecoin, in the last 24 hours, the bulls are in control by 60%. So as you can see, this huge run up here with Baby Dogecoin, and it wasn't really too big, but it was a good run up here with Baby Dogecoin. We went all the way down here from the 1500 area all the way up here to about 17, almost 1800, but we got rejected there. As you can see here, this red area being our supply and demand, showing that we don't have enough demand to continue to rise. So what we're more than likely going to do is retest this support before we actually go up on another uptrend here. So Baby Dogecoin has the potential to go up on another uptrend onto the next Fibonacci retracement level. We just need to retest some support here. And like I said, it's a good buying opportunity. Like I said in my previous video, very good buying opportunity. So one thing I really want to mention here, if you look over here in the oscillator, you can see how there's low volume here. You can see this area here pretty much is showing that there was low volume being traded, negative volume, pretty much a lot of selling. And now here it's being reversed. So now as it's being reversed, you can see that there's more buying volume coming in. So I don't know how long it's going to be lived for. I don't know how long it's going to be going up on an uptrend for, but this buying volume could definitely change things with Baby Dogecoin. It can definitely help us out a lot. So one thing I want to show here, let's take off these trading indicators here with Baby Dogecoin. So when we do retrend back down to this previous trend line here, over here, not to the previous trend line, I mean to the previous Fibonacci retracement level. If we hit that support level, then we may or may not hit this next resistance, because look at this. Look at how it was, started to go up here on an uptrend. Even though the volume was like a lot of selling was happening in the volume, it still was going up, up, up. And then it just started to go down eventually. And that's because the burns, we have this 5% redistribution in Baby Dogecoin. So even though people are selling, it's helping Baby Doge go up. The more people sell, the more is burned. So this is really going to help us. So if people start selling and we hit our support, then a lot of Baby Dogecoin is going to end up getting burned. And what's going to happen here is it's going to help us rise, because there's going to be less coins circulating. So Baby Dogecoin is literally just going to go up over time in price, and it's just going to hit the point where it's just going to go crazy, parabolic. Anyways, I do want to get off the technicals though, because we got a lot of stuff to talk about fundamentally with Baby Dogecoin. But yeah, let's go over that. So over here, as you can see, we are up 9.2% in the last 24 hours here at Baby Dogecoin, and that's pretty good in the last 24 hours. 9.2%, not too shabby right there. So it's definitely going to help us out, with our next rise in price action, that we're up 9.2%, because over here we're only up 1700% over time, like total, like 1700%. That's barely anything. And what's so crazy is that we're only up 1700%, yet we only have 314 million in market cap. And the reason why this is so crazy is because typically when you see things with 314 million in market cap, it's typically up 10K plus around 50K, percent over like 100%. Because you got to think, we start at $0 in market cap. And then as market cap gets added, the price goes up. The reason why Baby Doge's market cap is, I wouldn't say so high. It's a good amount though. 314 is pretty high. So the reason why the market cap is so high and the all-time low from the actual percentage of growth is so low, it's because we have so many coins in circulation. So when we start to burn these coins, like we're about to have a burn, and I'm gonna go over that later. When we start to burn these Baby Doge coins, you gotta think like this price, these percentages are gonna start going up huge. So right now, it's hard for us to grow because we have so many coins in circulation. But that's the beauty of Baby Dogecoin. It's a long-term hold. As we hold for longer, the price, the percentages are just going to start growing and growing and growing. Instead of getting 9.2% in 24 hours, it's going to be more like 92% in 24 hours. And that's no doubt about it, because we are hardly up at all with Baby Dogecoin. 1700%. That's almost nothing compared to what Sheeb and stuff like that is doing. But once we implement these burnings of the coins and we start to do it at a faster pace, big things are going to happen here for Baby Dogecoin. So we're definitely going to have to continue to buy Baby Dogecoin, because that's going to help lower the baby Dogecoins when the burns happen, when people sell, the burns happen. So good stuff can happen here in baby Dogecoin. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Not telling people to go dump their money in there. But anyways, look over here. Baby Dogecoin is now past 690,000 holders right here, and they got a whole thing over here. It's on K-Swap, as they're saying, Pancake Swap, Ethereum Bridge is coming. So pretty much all this big stuff is coming out with Baby Dogecoin, and they kind of put it here with their little NFTs that they're about to be releasing. So a lot of good stuff is going on here with Baby Dogecoin. So over here, I want to show the 690,000 followers to show you how big this really is, because they just now posted that on the Twitter. So they just posted that, and it already has 691,785. So that's a lot of people. And then hit the refresh button, 691,878. So everyone's like investing in the Baby Doge left and right. So this is also going to help the price of Baby Doge continue to rise. Now I want to check out some other things here. Look at this: 9 days until we have our 5-month anniversary with Baby Doge. Yes, we're about to have the 5-month burn inside 9 days. On the first, every single month is going to be burning, literally every single month. I really hope they burn at least 4 or 5 quadrillion. I hope they burn some quadrillions here, not just millions, because as you know, Baby Dogecoin, we got a good amount of Baby Dogecoin circulating over here. You can see we have 180 quadrillion circulating. I'm just hoping that they burn like 5 quadrillion plus, like no trillions. We don't care about trillions getting burned. We want quadrillions burned, because that's what's really going to help Baby Dogecoin. Like, if you think about it, let's say we burn 5 quadrillion every single month. Inside of 1 year, we burn 5 quadrillion every single month. That's going to be 60 quadrillion burned. So you would take your 180 quadrillion minus 60 quadrillion. That'll bring us to 120 quadrillion. So that'd be in a year if we did 5 every single month. Now, what I would really like to see is 10 quadrillion a month, and then that would be 120 quadrillion burned, and then it'll bring us to like 60 quadrillion pretty much, which is still a lot of coins. That's why Baby Dogecoin, that's why the price is really moving pretty slow. It's because there's so many coins. But as we burn more and more and more, we're going to have so much more growth possible to happen inside Baby Dogecoin. So that's definitely going to continue to help us rise. So shout out to the Baby Dogecoin developers. I just hope they burn 5 quadrillion plus, because that's the only way we're going to really do some big moves. Hopefully 5 quadrillion plus, or possibly even 10 quadrillion. That'd be really nice. Now, I already went over this yesterday, so I'm only going to go over this one briefly. Bit4x is having their 5 trillion Baby Doge giveaway. Big stuff going on there. And like I said, more purchases, more buys, more sells, the more Baby Dogecoin gets burned. So that's what I wanted to see. And I was showing something yesterday with Baby Dogecoin, and I'll show it again today. So first things first, let's go over here to burn address, and I just want to show people, because people were like, they're looking inside Baby Doge's wallet. They're like, why is Baby Dogecoins? Why are these Baby Dogecoins not burning? We are only seeing one day. Like, we know there's millions of transactions every day. Why aren't there millions of burns every day? That's because it does it incognito. So as you can see over here, this is 4713. This is 000. This is 237. Now you hit the refresh button, and now this is 862. This is 9567. And it's still 000, but 862. So it's showing you right here that there's actually Baby Dogecoins being burned 24/7. This is 200 million. Now you hit the refresh button. Now it is 326 million. Literally, Baby Dogecoins are being burned every single second. And this is the beauty of Baby Dogecoin. Like, if you look over here, this is 512 billion. Probably no billions are going to be done inside of a second. So yeah, you'll probably have to wait for the billions. Oh, there you go, 994 million. And inside of a few seconds, this 2 should change to a 3. So let's keep refreshing it here. Oh, yep. Now it's 516 instead of 2. So it skipped a few billions. So this just puts things into perspective for you. Like, billions of Baby Dogecoin are literally being burned every single second of the day. Like, this is 516. It's probably going to move up. Now it's at 519. So billions are getting burned literally 24/7. So this is really going to help Baby Dogecoin rise at this pace. I mean, I don't even know. We're going to have so much burned, because look, this is 100,000 million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, 157 quadrillion so far burned. So I want to see more Baby Dogecoins being continued to burn 24/7 all the time. Big stuff going on there with Baby Doge. So yeah, shout out to Bit4x for doing the little competition. And shout out to the Baby Doge army here on Reddit. They put a lot of good stuff out here, and they do a lot of good art with Baby Dogecoin too. But they said, coming from Baby Crypto 69. Baby Crypto 69 says Shiba Inu, Doge, SafeMoon all lost a few zeros within a few months. So nothing is stopping Baby Doge. We can definitely do this if we all come in together. Now, a few zeros. Let me talk about this for a second. So just imagine us losing a few zeros inside of Baby Dogecoin, right? So if you have $1,000, let's just do some math here because you know how much I love doing this math. Let's do this math here. $1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1727. So pretty much $1,000 divided by that, that's going to give you 579 billion Baby Dogecoins. If we knock off 3 zeros and we go to exactly where we're at right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3 zeros knocked off from 8. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3 zeros knocked off. So if we did this and then we went to 1726, like where we're at now, that would bring you to $999,000 from $1,000. And the fact that we're burning Baby Dogecoin literally all the time, like this is money right here. This is 100% money going into your pocket. So even though the market cap is at 314 million, right? And I want to do another analogy here. Even though the market cap is at 314 million, even though Shiba Inu's market cap is what, 15 billion, you would take 15 billion, right? And you would divide it by 314,256,652, right? That would only be a 47x, right? If you 47 extra $1,000, that would only be $47,000. But what they're not implementing into this kind of strategy and into this math is the burns. When you implement the burns into there, there's less circulating supply, meaning that there's actually a higher price because the supply is less. It's literally scarce. So as time goes on, the Baby Doge coins are going to be more scarce inside of the market, meaning that we're going to need less market cap for a higher price. So 314 million right now is about 8 zeros, but 314 million in market cap in a year, once there's a lot burned, would probably be more like 6 zeros or 7 zeros, which is pretty much going to make us rise without as much money in market cap. Like, just think about it. If we have like 15 billion market cap, that's probably going to be 4 zeros to 5 zeros in the near future. So that's how you got to look at it right there. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, just throwing some analogies out there, throwing out some thoughts out there. So that's definitely what I'm looking at here. And also another thing we want to talk about is the Certik. So right now it's still saying stay tuned, meaning that the Certik audits are not done yet. A lot of people have been asking me about it. Shout out to Inevitable Ad 1836 from the Baby Doge Army. So this person actually posted this. So yeah, the Certik audit is not done yet. So when it actually gets done, that's when you're going to see it get listed to stuff like Coinbase. That's when you're going to see it get listed to stuff like Binance. That's when you're going to see it get listed to Webull, Robinhood, eToro, Public.com. They just added Shiba Inu. They're looking to add some more stuff. But it won't happen until we get this Certik done. So I really want Certik to finish this. And honestly, I don't know when they're going to do it because it's been a while. And I'm going to talk about some of the listings that we're going to be seeing in the near future when we actually get listed onto Certik. When not listed on Certik, but certified by Certik. So usually Certik, they'll announce when they're like auditing something, but we'll never really know until it's actually fully audited. So we're just gonna have to keep watching out for it. So a lot of different cryptos are getting audited out there, but that's probably why it's taking so long, because a lot of different cryptos are getting audited. So we can't all just get audited at the same time. It just doesn't happen like that. So anyways, let's move on to our next thing. And what this is, let's click over here. Who here has 100 billion Baby Doge coins? If you do, you're probably going to be a millionaire in 2 years. Plain simple. Plain simple. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, but anything can happen, right? So anyways, let's move on. Shout out to Quiet Ad 4615 for this. But anyways, let's talk more about what can happen in Baby Dogecoin in the future. So let's hit the refresh button. As you can see, we got about 100 people that just now invested in the Baby Dogecoin in the last 10 minutes. But I just pretty much want to show you all what's going on here with Baby Dogecoin. So let's click the back button here. I want to show you like the normal investor that's investing in the Baby Dogecoin, right? This is from PancakeSwap liquidity all the way over here to Baby Doge. So let's do this math here. So this person just bought into Baby Dogecoin, right? So they have 6.4 billion Baby Doge. It's not really that much Baby Dogecoin at all, but we're just going to do some math here and look at their wallets. We're going to pocket watch right now. So let's start the tracking here and pocket watch it them. So let's click this, and don't worry, I'm going to show you some different petitions for our upcoming listings for Baby Doge. So this person only has $9.96 inside of Baby Dogecoin, right? This is what the average wallet holds in Baby Dogecoin. I'm not hating on no one. This is definitely good. It's good to see everyone getting in on Baby Dogecoin with as much money as they can. But I just want to show this because look, this was done 39 days ago, 4.5 billion right here, and then about a few seconds ago, 20 seconds ago, 1.7 billion was invested. So this just comes to show that's why we have so many different addresses, because the average person holds very little baby Dogecoins, which isn't bad at all. This is definitely a good thing that people are getting in with what they can get in with. But right here, they're going to be earning 18 cents a month. So that's pretty good. Total, they already earned 9 cents. So, that's pretty good too. I think total I've earned like $10 or so with baby Dogecoin, just holding it. So over time, everyone's going to earn a lot. So I just wanted to show this because a lot of people are like, why is there so many holders? And we almost have the same amount of holders as Shiba Inu, but our market cap's way lower. We have way more of a circulating supply, and we have a way lower market cap. So, and a lot more holders. So that's pretty much why. Now, I want to go over the main thing, the main topic of the video. Look at this. All these different, change.org petitions are popping up for baby Dogecoin left and right, left and right. So many different people are signing up for change.org in all of these different petitions for baby Doge. So Robinhood to list baby Dogecoin on Robinhood. This is one of the many. 611 people have signed. If you haven't signed yet, definitely sign, because this is going to help baby Dogecoin out a lot. Now, we have a lot of these different positions, so you can either sign this one for Robinhood, or you can sign this one, this baby Dogecoin on Binance, largest trading platform. This one has 3.7k signs over here, so that's actually pretty big right there, that they got 3,700 signs, and a lot of people are starting to do it. So I mean, just look at it. Look at the next one over here. This next petition, 536 have signed for Binance. So if you come over here and sign, this is how Shiba Inu and Dogecoin got listed on a bunch of things. Dogecoin got listed on Coinbase because of these petitions. Dogecoin got listed on eToro and Webull because of these petitions. Same thing with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu got listed on a bunch of other stuff like Coinbase, Binance, all because of these petitions. Like, these petitions had hundreds and thousands of signs because of the people wanted it on there, and they actually checked this stuff out, because you got to think these crypto platforms, they're really big on the tech, so they're really checking everything out for everything. So over here, kindly request baby Dogecoin for Binance, and 1.2k people have already signed. So this is really what's going to help us rise. Once we get listed to all these different things, we're going to be going up huge. And this is another one for Robinhood, and then this is another for crypto.com, which pretty much just started, but crypto.com would be another good one for us to get on. But yeah, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. It'll definitely be good for us to get listed on all of these different platforms. Really good for us. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link inside of the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. I mean, look at this. This shows you exactly when things are about to rise. If you wanted to buy baby Dogecoin right here, you could have, because it would have pretty much told you we're about to go on this uptrend here. So now we're going up on this uptrend, and now we're pretty much stopping here, showing that we have less demand at this area, showing that we're going to trickle back down to the next support line, which is why my technical analysis are so good. But anyways, remember, not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.